I'm Nettie, and today on Nettie's Recipe Bowl, we're going to make hoagie dip. Hoagie dip is great for game day, tailgating, parties, snacks, lunches, or even a meal. First, let's talk about what goes into this delicious hoagie dip. The great thing is you can use any cold cuts you love. Here's what I'm using today. A 1/4 pound of provolone cheese, which I've already chopped into about an 1/8 inch slices. A 1/4 pound of ham, any kind you like. A 1/4 pound of hard salami, a 1/4 pound of turkey breast, and of course a 1/4 pound of pepperoni, because who doesn't love a little pepperoni? Now these are just my choices, but you can mix and match your favorite cold cuts. Anything that works in a hoagie will work in this dip. We're going to use a medium tomato, a 1/2 head of romaine lettuce or iceberg, or a combination of both. Whatever lettuce you have on hand works. A 1/4 cup of minced onion, a 1/4 cup of minced chopped banana peppers or pepperoni, either works, or whatever pepper you have on hand. Okay, for the dressing we're going to need a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of basil, or a little more because I love it, 1/2 teaspoon of ground peppers. Alright, let's get chopping. First up, we're going to chop all the cold cuts. You want them in small, bite-sized pieces. Nothing too big. Think about the perfect little scoopable size for crackers or chips. While I'm chopping, here are a few ideas. I love serving this dip in a hollowed-out bread bowl with some toasted wedges on the side, but you could also use crackers, chips, or even serve it with a hoagie roll for the ultimate chopped hoagie experience. It's like a hoagie that's gone viral in dip form. The dressing is creamy and ties everything together. And you can add a little bit more of the hot pepper flakes if you like a little more heat in your hoagie. And like I said about the banana peppers, you can use pepperoni peppers or regular bell peppers chopped up if you like those in your hoagie also. Anything you like in a hoagie works in this dip. Okay, we're just about finished up chopping up all these veggies. Then we're going to get, as you can see, everything's chopped up into about an 1/8 inch slices. Now we're going to get that all mixed into a bowl and give it a good stir. Okay, in a separate bowl, we're going to whisk together the mayonnaise, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of basil, a little more because I love basil, cracked black pepper, a tablespoon of olive oil, and your red pepper flakes, and you can add a little more, however hot you like it. Okay, we're going to stir that really well. You want everything fully combined. Pour that dressing over our chopped cold cuts and veggies and give everything a good mix. Make sure all the ingredients are evenly coated in the dressing. Today I'm going to be serving this in a bread bowl, and I'll have some toasted wedgies on the side for dipping. But remember, this dip is super versatile. You can pair it with crackers, chips, or go all out with hoagie rolls and turn it into a chopped hoagie sandwich. And there you have it. Hoagie dip. A hoagie in every bite, but way easier to share. If you give this recipe a try, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And ring that bell so you don't miss any delicious recipes coming your way. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.